This is how to connect to a DALI network using Helvar's Digidim Toolbox software. Helvar's Digidim Toolbox software is for programming and commissioning Digidim standalone lighting control systems. Digidim standalone systems operate on a single DALI network and are typically small to mid-size applications, such as small offices. The Digidim system used in this video is shown here. This is the Helvar 135 modular panel, which has 7 programmable buttons. The unit also has an infrared receiver, so it can receive commands from a Helvar remote control unit. This is a Helvar 312 multi-sensor. This DALI system has 12 dimmers. This DALI system has 2 LED drivers, which control the light level of LED lamps. The power supply for one DALI circuit provides 250 milliamps. When designing a DALI circuit, you need to take into account how much current each DALI device consumes. The Helvar 510 lets you connect your PC to a DALI network using a USB cable. This is how to connect to the DALI network using Helvar's Digidim Toolbox software. In Windows, start the Toolbox software. You can use Toolbox in offline mode or online mode. Offline mode means the PC is not connected to a DALI network, which is useful if you want to design and simulate a system. Online mode is for when you connect to an actual DALI system, which is what we're going to demonstrate now. When you choose online mode, you'll need to select the interface. We're using a 510 USB interface, but you can use a serial interface, like a 505, which is connected to a COM port on your PC. Usually, this will be COM1 or COM2, but if you need to use a different COM port, you can. Here, we'll select the 510 and click Continue. Toolbox communicates with the DALI network to discover the DALI devices and their properties. Here, we've edited the video to save time, but it can take a few minutes to complete this process. When Toolbox has discovered the DALI network information, you'll see something like this. The bar graph on the right-hand side shows the level of each channel of the load interfaces, in this case the dimmers and LED drivers. And the load interfaces and control devices are shown on the left in the Toolbox device tree. There's the 312 multi-sensor, and there's the 135 button panel, for example. So now, Toolbox is connected to this DALI network, and you can start programming the lighting control system.